In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change PayPal password. Keeping your online account secure is paramount, and regularly updating your PayPal password is a crucial step in safeguarding your financial information. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure your account remains protected and gives you peace of mind. First things first, you'll need to log into your PayPal account. Once you're successfully logged in, look for the Settings icon, which usually resembles a gear or cogwheel. It's typically located in the top right corner of your PayPal dashboard, making it easily accessible. Clicking on this icon will seamlessly take you to your account settings page. Alternatively, if you prefer a direct approach, you can often reach this section directly by using the provided security page link in your web browser. This settings area is your central hub for managing various aspects of your PayPal profile, including personal details, payment methods, and most importantly for this video, security. Once you're on the settings page, your next step is to locate and click on the Security tab. This tab is specifically designed to house all your account's security-related options, from two-factor authentication settings to password management. You might notice other tabs nearby, such as Profile for personal information or Payments for managing financial instruments. But for changing your password, Security is definitively the one you need to select. This action will open up the dedicated Security section, presenting you with various tools and settings aimed at protecting your account from unauthorized access. It's within this section that we'll find the specific option to update your password. Now that you're in the Security section, you'll clearly see an option related to your password. It will typically be labeled Password or Change Password, sometimes accompanied by an Edit button. Click on this option to initiate the password change process. PayPal will then prompt you to enter your current password first. This is a crucial security measure designed to confirm that you are indeed the legitimate owner of the account before any sensitive changes can be made. After successfully entering your existing password, you'll then be asked to enter your new password, and critically, confirm it by typing it in a second time to ensure there are no typos.